Hey everyone, welcome back. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my wellness planner. And basically this is going to be a two-part video. So part one is I'm going to show you how I just lay my stickers and how I do my thing. And then part two is going to be I'm actually going to take you around and show you each wellness thing that I do and how the planner applies to it. So this is from the planner extension pack. And I'll get into that in a little bit more in a minute. But welcome. If you're new here, remember to subscribe. We're going to get your life in order this year. That's my motto for everyone. Like, we're going to get everyone on track for whatever their goals are. And if you're here again, well, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you. Let's go ahead and get started. So as I was saying before, this is from the wellness extension pack that they had released last January, I think it was. So last year. Somehow I bought two of them and I was very hit or miss with using it for the month. So I think I still have like 8 months or something crazy, like a lot of months. But I have been using my fitness from the Healthy Hero planner. I've been using that for my fitness stuff, but I have a lot of wellness stuff I do too. So I wanted to be part of that. Monthly really won't get used. I have a lot of monthlies that don't get used. It's more the weeklies that I'm looking for. And I pulled out the whole month, but we're only doing a week. So this is for the week. This is going to start on this Monday, but I had a different system for the week before, the month before. Technically, this week is like the start of the next month, kind of. You know, like the 28th, but it's like kind of February, so it's going in the February. It's going in the February section, basically. Okay. I'm going to pull this one out too because it's in my way. All right. So now this wellness planner will be in my transforming planner, although I'm going to, I think, untransform it, and I'll show you. I'll do that a little bit. Not that it has been great the way it is. I just don't transform it ever, so, you know. Okay, I wanted to use the wellness sticker book. I had the most amazing people that are helpful to me, and they get me things I cannot find, and I want to thank, there's two of them actually, so there's going to be like a giveaway or something, but oh my gosh, I just can't even believe that they were able to find these and get them to me because my Walmart did not have them, and it was just like amazing. Choose to Shine, I love that sticker. Put it right up top. All right, so this is going to be a little bit more functional. And basically a lot of what this is going to be habit tracking and just kind of discussing things that I'm incorporating. It's going to be a lot of the things that I do to kind of better myself and how I am doing that. So I'm definitely going to incorporate some stickers into this spread, but it's going to be a little bit more light on that and a little bit more focused on what it is that's going to get me to my goals that I have in mind. And I believe that although what I do can be very stressful and it can be, it can take a lot of toll, I think coping with stuff like that is oftentimes based on what you do for wellness and self-care. And I don't think that there's any rule in life that says that in order to work hard and be successful, you can't take care of yourself. Like, I don't think that's a thing. So this mindset that some people have that like, well, I don't have time to do those things. Like, I don't, like, you better make time because if you're not well to do the things that you do, then they're not going to get done anyways. So that was just my 2 cents for the be kinder to yourself and then let your kindness flood the world. I love that. That is so amazing. I'm putting that right down here. See, perfect wellness. Perfect wellness. I have these like stickers on my fingers. I'm gonna put them on my mic stand like I do normally. That's like where I put my stickers that I'm gonna use, but haven't decided yet. So we're going to have some brunch in just a few minutes. I'm not sure what day this video will be seen, but this is starting on a Sunday. So although you might see it midweek, I'm doing this on a Sunday, pre-week. All right. Love these little circles. And I think that this is going to be a good thing to put, although I should put this on my other planner too. I think this is going to be a good thing to put in there for Thursday evening. Just kind of take a little bit of me time. Wake up early. I needed that for my planner because I did a little alarm clock, but it didn't say wake up early. Cultivate kindness. Cultivate's my word of the year. Stay positive, girl. I love that. That's cute. Okay. Early bedtime. Hydrate. I don't particularly struggle with hydration. I drink a lot of water, but my positive word's gonna be hydrate. And I am gonna read some books. I want to remember to do that this week. Vitamins, which could be supplements. Like that could be the supplement thing. Yeah, let's do that. Let's put one of these for supplements. As just little reminders. Those are going to be reminders for like the whole week. It's not specific to, you know, any one moment. Gratitude and be present is another one I want to remember to do. And then where I put me time, it's going to be a face mask. And then it's going to be a sleep-in day on Saturday. Okay. And then important. Word of the day, how your day was. Track it there. All right, so there's a monthly habit tracker, which is great. I do want some weekly habit trackers. Positive affirmations, I love that. Daily reflection, daily highlights. These are great. I haven't really looked through the sticker book clearly enough because these are like exceptional. Although I do need some habit trackers, which there's like thousands of them, so I will pull some if they don't have them in here. But okay, so let me grab a sticker book that I know has them. And I always get these confused since they came out with the two. Which one has them? So we're gonna grab these both. Well, there's some right there. Okay, those are monthlies. I want the weeklies. All right, so let's talk about habit trackers for a moment. A lot of my wellness routine is habit trackers. Like it just is a lot of my wellness routine. So I have a lot of things that I want to make sure that I've done for my wellness routine. And these are the things that I start by tracking because I want to really make sure that I've done them. So like I said, for today, I'm going to show you how I kind of plan those out. But I also want to make sure that you get to see me doing them a little bit better so you can like know you know, what I focus on and like what my real focus has been for the week. So while you could use this for fitness planning as well, I don't know that they make this anymore, but I'm sure they have something similar that they have come out with, or they, you know, there's something that you can find. It is definitely important to make sure that you're taking care of yourself. So a lot of the things that I am doing for wellness related stuff is, you know, making sure that I'm washing my face and I'm taking care of my skin. Like just a lot of stuff that I'm just going to take you through and show you why I do it, how it's important to me, how it sets my day off right. And I'm really excited to be able to share those things with you. So that's going to be coming up very soon. But as far as the planner itself, this is going to go with my wellness plan or with my fitness planner. And it's going to be one of those things where it's just simple and don't overthink it. You know, like if you're trying to keep up with 15 planners and you're not doing it successfully because there's too many things in each planner, like don't make it hard on yourself. Make it easy. But for me, wellness is a serious part of productivity. And if I'm not feeling my best, I will not do my best. So that is that. That that is why this is so important to me. It's like a mission for me is to make sure everyone's taking care of themselves. So cannot wait to show you how I work in this and what exactly I do. It's a lot of tracking and it's a lot of writing and it's kind of more after the fact than planning per se, unless there's certain things I need to plan. So it's a lot of tracking is what this is used for me, for my particular style of planning in this fashion. Unless there's something that I need to do specifically, this is a lot of tracking. So I'm going to implement some new things into my wellness routine. So I can't wait to show you that. But once again, I just want to take you on a little bit of a journey with me to show you how I start my wellness stuff and get it and keep it going. So I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. It's very simple. If you like wellness, if wellness is important to you, I will do more of it if it's something that you feel, there we go, you would enjoy to see more of. And like I said, I will take you down what I do for my wellness stuff another day. But for today, I hope you enjoyed this portion of it. All right, everyone. Cannot wait to see you next time. Have a great rest of your day.